Alright guys, I got a 96 Eclipse RS edition. I got a 15-inch Planet Audio sub, Big Bang series, 500 watt mclass Memphis amp, and a Naxa head unit. And it's a little cheap one, but it's better than, you know, nothing. Alright, well, here's late night tip. Fill play, here we go. Late night tip.
Do right now is what we like to call a bass check. If you can't
hold on, it caused my iPod to shuffle. Let's go back to late night tip there. Let's play Bass I Love You. That's the 3.5–4-inch excursion off the Planet Audio, and you know, it's my car. I just bought it. You know, got the little 13.5-inch steering wheel. We changing that out. I got a blue neon up under the dash, and we'll be be changing the gauge lights out to blue, getting me a Sony CDX CD player and an actual dash kit. You know, this is just temporary because the CD player was sitting down here and I couldn't see it whenever I shifted into gears. Alright, well, it's just a project for right now, but you know, after it gets all done, it'll be nice, and you know, maybe I can enter in some shows before long. Alright, see y'all later.